and Why Animals Are Poisonous by Elaine Pasco. A rattlesnake lies coiled in the desert sand. The rattles on its tail shake in warning. This is a dangerous snake. Its bite is poisonous. The rattlesnake uses its poison to kill mice and other prey. It also bites to defend itself. Glands in the snake's head make the poison, called venom. When the snake bites, venom is forced through its hollow fangs and into its victim. Like the rattlesnake, the short-tailed shrew has a poisonous bite. The shrew burrows in the soil, hunting for earthworms and other small prey. The poison in its bite is strong enough to kill a mouse. Spiders also hunt with poison. A jumping spider leaps on and bites a fly. It pushes poison into the fly through its mouth parts. One bite, and the fly stops moving. It is dinner for the spider. The scorpion has a poisonous stinger at the tip of its curved tail. This animal uses its poison to kill insects and other prey. It grabs its victim with its strong front pincers and bends its tail around to sting. The scorpion also uses its stinger to defend itself from attack. Have you ever been stung by a bee? Bees sting in defense when they sense danger. A honeybee pushes its sharp stinger into a person's skin and sends a bit of poison into the wound. The bee's poison isn't deadly, but it hurts. After the honeybee stings, its stinger stays in the skin. The bee dies, but it has helped protect the other members of its hive. Many other animals use poison to defend themselves from enemies. The lionfish has poisonous spines that stick out like needles. When the fish is threatened, it jabs its attacker with its spines. Each spine has a painful sting. The rows of bristles on the Io caterpillar's back make it look like a little scrub brush. The bristles carry an irritating poison. Touching an Io caterpillar is a painful surprise. The bright colors of some animals warn that they are poisonous. The red-spotted newt spends a part of its life on land and part in water. It is called an eft when it is on land. On land and in water, glands in the newt's skin make a mild poison. Animals that try to eat it quickly spit it out. It tastes terrible. The skin of the poison arrow frog is also coated with poison. The frog's poison is deadly. Other animals leave it alone. Toads use poison for protection too. The big warty lumps on a toad's skin can give off a foul-tasting liquid. A hungry weasel sees the toad and attacks. The frightened toad oozes poison. Ah! The weasel backs away and the toad escapes. The weasel has learned not to eat toads. Use this information in this book to answer some how and why questions. Why is a rattlesnake dangerous? How do spiders use poison? How does a scorpion use its stinger? Why do bees sting? Why is the red-spotted newt brightly colored? How does a toad produce poison? The end.